Are you looking for the best steam mops for hardwood floors in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best steam mops for hardwood floors that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more to see the more information about these products. I found these products much helpful for people like you. You can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Shark Liftaway Pro. Simplistic, but good. It's a testament to how much I like most of these steam mops that this one is so far down the list. This is by no means a bad steam mop, I'd even call it a great one. It's just a little simpler than anything else, being a steam mop with a great tank, 17 ounces, a long cord, 22 feet, and a good handheld detachment. The only other thing that stands out though is the no-touch pad that can be disengaged and dropped without ever needing to touch your fingers. While nice, I'm not sure it really competes with a lot of others on this list. If it were a bit cheaper, it might be higher on the list, but as is? It's great, but not great enough to justify buying it over the Light and Easy above. Number 4. Light and Easy Multifunctional. Just a good all-rounder. This is sort of a greatest hits of what we look for in a steam mop. Does most hard surfaces, has a detachable handheld attachment, a respectably sized tank, 11.5 ounces, that heats up in under 30 seconds, a solid length cord, 20 feet, and has 3 steam settings for different kinds of jobs. With its price tag, this makes Light and Easy's offering basically the cheapest way to get everything on my list of basic criteria, making it a perfect steam mop for people that just need a steam mop and don't need to use it for any other jobs. Number 3. Pristine ThermaPro. The most versatile steam mop you're likely to find. This is a 12-in-1 steam mop. Basically, it cleans every surface. A bit of cheating, perhaps, to put it here, but it does do hardwood, and does it well. The 8.5-ounce tank heats up in 15 seconds, could stand to be a bit larger, but provides about 20 minutes of steam, good for most spot cleans or single-room mopping sessions. It being a breakaway handheld in addition jumps it up a bit further, especially with the multiple settings to adjust for every surface. The only real gripes I have with it are it doesn't come with any attachments, or even a hose. It makes some cleaning awkward and unnecessarily difficult, but given it will cost you less, this is a minor gripe. You can buy all that separately and still come out cheaper than most steam mops. Number 2. Pristine Therma Pro Steam Mop Cleaner. This is the least expensive model on our list, but don't let that fool you. By using steam instead of chemicals, you keep your floors clean and germ-free. You can even freshen carpets that are not a long nap. We didn't think this was a great feature, but it does work for extremely light carpet work. As a steam mop, it's already pretty good. It does hard surfaces with multiple settings. It did come with many attachments and can do much more than just hardwood floors. The grout brush does an excellent job in cleaning grout. One thing we weren't thrilled about on this model was the shorter cord. It would have been nice to have a larger cord when doing larger rooms. The swivel mop head makes it easy to get in tight spaces and is large enough to help you get through your floors in a small amount of time. Given the low price on the model, it's hard to go wrong. Number 1. Bissell PowerFresh Slim System. A toss-up for Bissell's best all-around steam mop. Bissell is a major brand in the realm of cleaning appliances, with a lot of quality products. This one is no exception, boasting just about everything we're looking for. It's great on hardwood and any hard surface, from tile to grout to stainless steel, as expected, and comes apart into 3 separate and equally useful tools. The steam mop itself is great. Lightweight, with a 25-foot cord and a solid 12-ounce tank. The handheld attachment takes things a step higher, snapping off with the full tank and containing a number of useful attachments, a bristle brush, an angled tool, a grout tool, and a flat scraper. All 4 fit inside the base of the unit, making for easy storage. The final part, removing the shaft, turns it into a quite good little garment steamer or close touch-up tool for things like refrigerators, the inside of ovens, or a stovetop.